Yes, as y'all know by the title, yes, I'm getting my first handgun. Y'all gonna comment down below which gun y'all think I should get next.
My girls, I keep saying, well, you want one of the pink guns, you want blue guns. She likes blue.
You got the Glocks right here.
Guns are black or stainless. Oh,
Which one was it?
Yeah, that one right there. Yeah, the first one.
Sweet. These are nice.
factory rubber zip off of it.
Okay.
I put a Hogue monogrip
Yeah, that's the one I'm
and
gonna
purple on it. She likes purple. She was happy.
You got the Taurus TX22 the other day.
No, I didn't get it.
No,
I didn't
that's
get
right.
it.
Okay,
Yeah.
never mind.
Yeah.
You were in here looking at this.
Yeah, I was in there
I'll
looking for
forget
that.
with that camera.
Yeah.
I had a lady looking at that yesterday. I thought, uh-oh, if he comes back, it's going to be gone.
Yeah.
I didn't buy one of those. Hey, start right here. That first box asking for the
There's
buyer.
a $150 rebate
Have you
on
end
that.
right there.
Done right
Sign the
now
date.
till October
Okay.
31st.
Let me know if you have any questions.
All right.
This to me.
All right. On the Bobcats
All right,
and
y'all, we'll get back
Tomcats,
with
there's
y'all.
150.
Slow burn. It's slow burn. Slow burn. Say so big nigga.
I love you, Equinox.
It's a slow burn, sitting and waiting on your turn. Bags and riches that I earn. I'd have been in this world before. Walk in the rain with no coat in the cold. Drive to the paint, going coast to the coast. You ain't elevating, holding the hoe. Can't catch me slipping, stay toting the road. Got the lows for the low, to the go I go. Jump fast, moving toe out the toe. One day I'ma sell out a show. You can't say it ain't so. Hard on froze. God damn it, I'm cold. Money come with all the sights I done saw. Purple juice, all of that, I got them pulled. Big old Jake ready pop out the door. Drifting up black, got me feel like a crow. It's a slow burn, sitting and waiting on your turn. Bags and riches that I earn. It's a slow burn. It's a slow burn. Drowsy leaning, I came from the bottom. I need to stay right, gotta move from the pride. Put them to the test, we can solve them. Buddy fucked up in the head and robbed him. Pop out and got him. Ran everything, all the pack, all the dollars. 2 to 3 share red tip with a holler. Jesus, peace on me, cause demons, they follow me. Up all night, fight my thoughts, can't fall asleep.
Sit down, Sister Renee, can I help you? Any guns hunting, we do not. I would say the pool's best. Proceed is on the second sheet.
Hopefully we can just screw it up.
Where's the Yeah, see that FN right there? Look clean.
Johnson, model 327.
Alright, y'all boys, man. We just got done getting the gun, man. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. What y'all think I got? Comment down below in the comments. Ooh, already.
Stack in my pocket, can't forget the rocket. Niggas say that I'm sick, taking wins, but all I see is learn to get your own. Better get out your friends that lead the double cross. Can't eat my plate, we was on the east drinking out dirty faucet. Taking pictures on the wall, baby, just look up. The niggas ain't demons for real, baby, they just look tough. I'm known for getting cheese, but still known for giving no fuck. The niggas try to block, but in the school I ain't getting no fuck. Nigga pull up, that white nigga smoke blow. Tag if it's toe, we won't pack, nigga roll up. Top of you, I'm a shot, I throw my paws out.
Yeah, y'all see it. I'm gonna give y'all a full review on this when we hit the gun range. See how this mug looking. Come with the holster, the mag. I'm just give y'all a whole nother review on the whole nother video. See y'all boys on the next video.